guys, with T-Mobile, we're in beautiful downtown Tacoma, Washington, rocking T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. We're gonna unbox the new LG V60 ThinQ 5G. Today we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna dug into the specs and punch out the competition. Let's get into it.
Key specs.
All right, we're just getting warmed up. Let's talk about specs. First off, the most important thing, T-Mobile 5G ready. 64 megapixel and 13 megapixel cameras.
8K video.
10 megapixel front-facing camera built into that beautiful full HD 6.8-inch OLED display.
A 3.5 millimeter headphone jack.
Super important for great audio and, of course, gaming. Now, inside, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And it's got the horsepower to keep you gaming and multitasking all day long with a QUALCOMM Snapdragon 865 processor. The new updated industrial design from LG is beautiful.
Your color options are white versus blue.
And it's tough. IP68 dust and water resistance. Now the V60 ThinQ is running Android 10 out of the box, and LG's UI is clean and simple. What's really cool is all the great new camera features. Let's check them out.
For instance, there's manual camera mode where you can customize all of your camera settings just the way you like it. And for video, you can go from basic 4-mic stereo sound to this cool ASMR option and even voice bokeh. Voice bokeh!
And now you have the voice bokeh slider, and slide slowly up to the top where it will focus all the audio on my voice and none of the wonderful sounds of the arcade.
Now it's time for dual screen. External notification screen. Camera cutout. Magnetic charging port.
All right, and here we go, taking us from a single screen
to a dual screen. Awesome sauce. Now you're rocking two 6.8-inch full HD plus screens. Now just choose which multitasking you want from your list of apps. And when you're ready to compose, you can use the standard keyboard or split it in half. Productivity! And dual screens takes gaming to the next level, including 4 preloaded game pads, and you can even customize your own.
Yes, that's right. And there you guys go. That's the new LG V60 ThinQ 5G, the first dual screen 5G phone on America's first nationwide 5G network.
Leave a comment below and tell us what you love about the new LG V60 ThinQ 5G on T-Mobile. Thanks for watching.